In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide with www.ryanair.com. We're going to keep this simple. I'll show you how to open the official Ryanair website, find the country selector, and switch your region to the United States or any country you prefer. This helps match fares, currency, and promotions to your location, so what you see is accurate at checkout. First, open your web browser and go to ryanair.com. If your browser redirects you to a local version of the site, that's perfectly fine. You're still on the official page. Give the home page a second to load. You should see the flight search area front and center. If a cookie or privacy prompt appears, go ahead and accept or manage it so the page can function normally. That prevents the site from hiding important controls behind a banner. Next, look for the small flag icon in the site header. On desktop, it's usually in the top right corner next to the account or help options, and it may show a flag along with a language or currency code. On mobile, the same selector might appear inside the main menu or at the very bottom of the page. Tap or click that flag to open the region settings. This panel is where Ryanair groups country, language, and currency preferences. When the selector opens, choose United States if that's your preference, or pick any country that best matches your payment method or destination plans. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if one is available. After you select a country, the website may refresh to apply your choice. You'll typically see the currency update, USD for the United States, for example, and some fares or fees might display differently based on regional rules. Your origin and destination airports won't change automatically, so you're free to search for flights anywhere Ryanair flies while keeping the country and currency you chose. If the selector doesn't appear right away, try widening your browser window, closing any overlay pop-ups, or refreshing the page. Also make sure you're not using a translation tool that overlays the interface, as it can hide the flag control. That's all there is to it. You've opened the official Ryanair website, clicked the flag icon, and selected the United States, or any country you want, so you can browse and book with settings that match your needs. If you ever need to change it again, just revisit the flag icon. Your last selection is usually remembered in the same browser, though clearing cookies may reset it.